Davis Expo edition, the show where we sit down and talk to fellow Davis colleagues and other industry leaders and ask them a few questions, to try to get to know them a little better. Today, we're super excited to have Keith Selby, owner of Cardinal Sales, representing Samsung. Welcome back for round 2, Keith.
All right. Thank you. It's great to be here.
Yes, I'm glad you're here.
Yeah, I am too.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how comfortable is the orange couch?
It is 10, I'd say. I'm really comfortable right now. Are you comfortable?
Yeah, after this day, I am comfortable.
Right, it is.
If you could go back and relive one decade of your life, which one would it be and why?
Well, one decade of my life. I would say that it would probably be my 20s.
Yeah?
Yeah,
How come?
because I had such a great time.
I'm sure you did.
It was great.
You were just living.
I was enjoying life.
I'm sure. What song could be your theme song?
Take It Easy
Oh, okay.
by by the Eagles.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I think that's a good one.
I think that's a good one too.
Yeah, I think that's a good one.
You do take it easy.
I try to take it easy.
Laid back, chill.
I try. A little hyped up, but I try to be chill.
That's okay. If you had to wear one for a year, clown shoes or a Viking helmet, which one would you choose?
That's a really good question. I've never even thought about that. Clown shoes or a Viking hat. I would say clown shoes.
Really?
Yeah, it depends how big they were, If they were really big, I'd probably say a Viking hat. But if they were just normal size but just funny looking, I would say clown shoes. You think they're pretty big? Probably the clown shoes?
Maybe.
Yeah, then maybe the Viking hat. I don't know. It's a toss-up.
It's a toss-up. Depends
I'd
on
have
the
to
mood
see.
you're in that
Yeah,
day.
and I'd have to see both,
What is some new or current Samsung products that you are most excited about right now?
Well, I'm excited about all the new stuff coming out, but the new Frame Pro is coming out in 65, 75, and 85 inch, and it has a wireless One Connect box and a improved resolution screen, so a better image.
Okay.
So a lot of people have always loved the Frame TV, but now it's going to be an improved image, and for the people that didn't like having the small wire connect to the One Connect box, now it's wireless. So that's great.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I'm sure everybody's going to love that.
They will love that.
What are you most excited about at the expo today?
I'm so excited that there are so many people here. It really has been amazing that I've had people from Indianapolis come here.
Oh, really?
I've had people from Kentucky come all the way here. Many people from Kentucky came here.
Goodness.
So people from Baltimore, Maryland. I'm amazed at how many people traveled so far and the amount of people that were here. Absolutely
very
fantastic.
excited.
They are. Yep.
That's awesome. We love to hear it.
All the vendors seem to also appreciate how easy the show has been going on and how well it was run.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
We love to hear that. What is the difference between living and simply existing?
Well, simply existing is really boring, and living is about how to live life to the fullest and live life every day as if it's your last day.
Yes.
And so I try to live life to its fullest and try to instill that into my kids. And now I have a grandchild too, so I'll be trying to instill it in her also.
Oh, that's amazing.
But I love life, and thank you very much. And you should live your life to the fullest every day.
I
right?
sure do.
Good for you.
You too.
Okay.
Thank you so much for joining me on the couch, Keith. I hope you're enjoying the show.
I am.
Good.